Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Just want to show you what I got today. So I got what is normally $5.79 chicken breast cutlets for $1.68. So I got two of them, and there's 4 patties in each one. They are 100% all natural. I've never seen this before. I've never seen this brand, but they were marked down, and these were the last 2. Otherwise, I would have bought them all. Not gonna lie. But I am going to make chicken parm with this and see how it comes out. So let's go see how they're doing. Look at how those look. They look amazing. I hope they taste good. So I've never seen this brand. I've never tasted this before. But, you know, with my doctoring and stuff like that, with the chicken parm, with my sauce, some of my Italian seasoning, which is right here, which I am still giving away. If you guys comment, if somebody wants some, I will give you a sample. Just comment in the comment section, or you can email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. Have no problem giving some away. Everybody who's tried it has returned and bought more. So, yeah, it's really good. And didn't have a garden last year, but I'm going to have a garden this year and hope to make more. I've got like 2 gallons of it made. So I am not short in any way. But back to the chicken. Look at how good this looks. Okay, so I'm going to put it together and I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to give you my honest review because, again, I've never had this brand. And so just to clarify, I do make my own chicken parm with fresh chicken breast patties. Well, fresh chicken breast, and then I make them into patties and bread them with my own breading, and I make them into chicken parm. But it is almost 8:30, so I need a fast, quick dinner, and this is going to be it. So, and they look really good. I like them really crispy before I put the sauce and the cheese and everything on them. So I've got some sauce, I've got some mozzarella, and some Parmesan Reggiano that we're going to put on it, and some garlic bread, and we are going to see how this tastes. So you guys have seen my other chicken parm videos that I made from scratch, and I love it. My family loves it. They come out amazing, but this is kind of a cheater method. So that's what I'm going to call it, a cheater method, because these are already breaded and everything. So they look really good. I just hope they taste amazing as well. So I like them nice and crispy, like these. If you don't make them nice and crispy, once you put the sauce on them and put them in the oven for like 15 minutes just to melt the cheese and heat the sauce through, they're going to be really soggy. So make sure that you make them nice and crispy. That is the key to chicken parmesan. So these are pretty much done, guys. Okay, so I'm going to take these out and get them in the pan with the sauce, and I'll show you how I make it. Okay, so this is my pan. I've got some sauce in the bottom here. I'm going to go get the chicken patties, and I'm going to put them in here. Okay, here are the chicken patties all in the pan. I'm going to put some sauce over it, and then I'll be back. Okay, so here is the sauce, and like I said, this is a cheater meal, so we are doing packaged Parmesan and packaged mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to sprinkle some of the mozzarella on here, just like when I normally make it. I like to do a lot of mozz. Okay, and then we're gonna do some parm, and usually I grate my own Parmesan Reggiano, but this is gonna have to do for tonight. I don't know how this is gonna come out. I don't ever use this, you guys. Packaged Parmesan cheese. I haven't even tasted it. Okay, I'm going to do some of that. And I'm going to put some Italian seasoning on it, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I put some of my Italian seasoning on it. Here is the open jar. And we're going to put this in the oven, 350 for about 15 minutes. And then take it out and see how it tastes. Meanwhile, we're going to make some garlic bread to go with dinner. And that's also a cheater. So my son brought home garlic bread. Total cheater night, you guys. Nothing from scratch like I normally do. So this is what I need when my back hurts, and this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, our cheater garlic bread is going in the oven. I'm gonna add some Parmesan to it and some seasoning. Okay, that looks better. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven and let it cook. Okay, I just took out the garlic bread. Here's the garlic bread, and I totally forgot, you guys. And I started cutting it, so I'm going to finish cutting it. The chicken parm is almost done, and then we're going to taste test. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. It looks really good to me. So let's plate it up and taste test it. Cheater chicken parmesan. We'll try it once, right? Okay, so I've got this piece and a piece of bread on my plate. So let me cut it and I will be back. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, now for the moment of truth. I know it's going to be hot because I literally just took it out. Look at that, looks really good. Oops, there we go. Okay, let's taste it. That is actually really good. That is actually really good. Wow. Wow. Okay. That came really good, guys. I guess, so if you see this brand, Purdue, try it. Give it a shot. Like I said, it was normally almost $6, 5 something. And it was $1.68, I believe, and I got 2 packages, so 8 patties. Yeah, I really like this. This tastes pretty good. I doctored it up, of course, you know, but put your own seasonings on it and stuff. I think the seasonings really, really helped it. But yeah, looks really good. Thanks for watching, you guys, and let me know what you think. Have you ever tried this brand? Because I've never seen it before. Word of the day, let's give away some Italian seasoning. Word of the day is cheater chicken parmesan. So type that in the comment section and you will be entered to win some of my Italian seasoning. Thanks for watching. See you soon.